Hello students, today our topic is butterfly. For that we required one origami paper. If you have color paper, one side white paper, so you have to keep the white paper up. Then you have to fold the rectangle. Fold from the middle, so you will get the rectangle. Corner to corner, edge to edge. Then you have to give the crease properly. Then again you have to fold from the middle like this way, so you will get the square shape. Now give the crease again from both the side like this way. Now you have to fold from the middle, so you will get the triangle shape. Now give the crease properly. Crease is very much important, so please give the crease properly. Now unfold it. Now we have a two square over here and we have to make triangle from this square. So what we will do, like this way, and give the crease and hold the paper like this way, then press it, so you will get the triangle shape from the square shape. Now the same step we have to follow from the another square also. So first we fold from the middle, so we will get the triangle shape like this way. Then give the crease. Crease is very much important, so please give the crease properly. Now hold the paper like this way, then put your finger inside and press it, so you will get the second triangle also. Now give the crease properly. Now we till middle line we have to fold the paper from both the side like this way, so you will get the square shape like this way. Now give the crease properly. From here also give the crease properly. Now turn the paper. Now change the side. Now we have to take this triangle till here, so we will take the triangle like this way and we will press it. Now we will press from both the side like this way, from here also. So our butterfly is ready. Now our butterfly is ready. Now you have to give the background and you have to stick on it. Thank you.